Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using this tool. In this video, we're exploring ZipBooks, a platform found at https://www.zipbooks.com. ZipBooks offers a suite of features designed to streamline financial management, particularly for small businesses and freelancers. It provides functionalities like invoicing, expense tracking, and time tracking, all within a user-friendly interface. One of its standout features is the ability to accept online payments, simplifying the process of getting paid. This can be a significant advantage for businesses that handle a high volume of transactions or prefer the convenience of digital payments. Beyond basic bookkeeping, ZipBooks delves into more advanced features, including project management and reporting tools. These can be invaluable for gaining insights into your business's financial health, identifying areas for improvement, and making informed decisions. Whether you're tracking billable hours, managing project budgets, or generating comprehensive financial reports, ZipBooks aims to be a one-stop solution for your business's financial needs. ZipBooks recognizes that financial management can be complex, especially for those without a dedicated accounting background. Therefore, they've put emphasis on creating a platform that is intuitive and easy to navigate. The goal is to empower users to take control of their finances without feeling overwhelmed by complicated software. For those looking for a free option, ZipBooks offers a basic plan that includes core features. This allows users to experience the platform and determine if it's the right fit before committing to a paid subscription. For businesses requiring more advanced features and capabilities, ZipBooks provides a variety of paid plans tailored to different needs and budgets. These plans often unlock additional functionalities such as team collaboration tools, more extensive reporting options, and higher transaction limits. Overall, ZipBooks presents itself as a comprehensive platform designed to simplify and enhance financial management for businesses of all sizes. It integrates various essential tools into a single platform, potentially reducing the need for multiple separate software subscriptions.